The skies over Ukraine have become a battleground where strategy meets devastation, and Russia's upgraded Tu-95MSM is at the center of this evolution. Once considered a relic of the Cold War, this iconic bomber now carries a lethal new edge, forged through lessons drawn from modern warfare. But what makes this aging beast so formidable in today's high-tech conflicts? Join us as we unveil the chilling upgrades that transform this airborne relic into a modern weapon of war. Early on November 28th, the Air Force of the Armed Force of Ukraine gave a warning through their telegram that Russia deployed up to 4 Tu-95MSM strategic bombers into the sky. This aircraft flies from Olenia Airfield, Murmansk region to southeast direction. The military added that additional information would be provided in case of missile threats or the launch of cruise missiles, so do not ignore air raid alerts. What kind of threat is haunting Ukraine when Russia operates the Tu-95MSM? Here is what you need to know. The Tupolev Tu-95MSM, commonly referred to as the Bear, is a large, strategic bomber and missile platform with a storied history. Originally designed as the Soviet Union's first intercontinental bomber, the aircraft first took to the skies in 1952. Despite its age, the Tu-95 demonstrated its combat capabilities much later, being deployed for the first time in 2015. Like its American counterpart, the B-52 Stratofortress, the Tu-95 has remained a cornerstone of the Russian aerospace forces, outliving several other bomber designs. On November 18, 2024, the Russian state defense conglomerate Rostec unveiled an upgraded version of this iconic aircraft, the Tu-95MSM. This modernization incorporates valuable lessons from the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, enhancing the bomber's combat capabilities to meet the demands of modern warfare. Sergei Chemezov, Rostec's head, highlighted the inclusion of new engines, advanced avionics, and state-of-the-art weapons systems, including ultra-long-range cruise missiles, as key features of the upgrade. At the heart of the Tu-95MSM lies its unique turboprop engine system, a defining characteristic since its inception. The bomber is powered by 4 Kuznetsov NK-12MP engines, each driving counter-rotating 8-blade AV-60N propellers. This setup enables the aircraft to achieve an impressive range of up to 15,000 kilometers or 9,300 miles without requiring in-flight refueling. Remarkably, these engines remain among the most powerful turboprops ever built, providing the aircraft with a cruising speed exceeding 500 miles per hour. Despite relying on turboprop technology, the Tu-95's performance rivals that of jet-powered bombers. Its swept-back wings and distinctive rear-mounted propellers allow it to cruise at altitudes of up to 12,000 meters or about 39,000 feet. This capability made the bomber particularly challenging to intercept when it was first introduced in the 1950s. The modernization efforts extend beyond the engines. The avionics suite of the Tu-95MSM has undergone a comprehensive overhaul, introducing upgraded radar, navigation, and communication systems. These enhancements enable the bomber to operate with higher precision and effectiveness, particularly in complex, multi-domain operations. Advanced sensors now provide the crew with real-time battlefield data, allowing for faster and more accurate targeting decisions. As well, the integration of cutting-edge electronic warfare systems bolsters the aircraft's survivability. By countering sophisticated enemy air defenses and electronic countermeasures, the Tu-95MSM becomes a formidable asset in contested environments. The operational role of the Tu-95MSM has significantly evolved over its decades-long service. Originally designed for strategic nuclear missions, the aircraft has proven its adaptability in modern conflicts, including the ongoing war in Ukraine. This versatility underscores the enduring value of its design and the effectiveness of its upgrades. A standout capability of the Tu-95MSM is its ability to launch precision-guided strikes using the KH-101 and its nuclear counterpart, the KH-102 cruise missiles. These advanced weapons can strike targets up to 5,500 kilometers away, enabling deep penetration into enemy territory with minimal risk to the bomber itself. The KH-101, in particular, is engineered to evade modern air defense systems with its low-flying, high-speed trajectory and sophisticated countermeasures. Moreover, reports suggest the KH-101 can deploy decoys or bait to confuse enemy radar and missile defense systems. This innovative feature enhances the missile's ability to bypass even advanced missile defense networks, cementing its role as a critical tool in modern warfare. Lessons learned during the conflict in Ukraine are expected to shape the further development of Russia's missile arsenal and its bomber fleet. While the KH-101 has become the primary weapon for the Tu-95MSM, the bomber retains the ability to carry older weapons like the KH-22 anti-ship cruise missile. Although lacking the precision of newer systems, the KH-22 remains a formidable weapon due to its high speed and unpredictable flight path, which make it difficult to intercept. This capability not only improves the bomber's survivability by reducing its exposure to enemy air defenses but also enhances its strategic versatility, supporting both conventional and nuclear deterrence missions. On November 21, 2024, Russia demonstrated these capabilities in action. Following Ukraine's use of ATACMS missiles against targets inside Russian territory, Moscow retaliated by deploying Tu-95MSM bombers to launch a barrage of cruise missiles into Ukraine. These venerable aircraft, modified from their Soviet-era origins into highly capable strategic bombers, unleashed KH-101 missiles on the city of Dnipro. The operation showcased the Tu-95MSM's ability to deliver long-range precision strikes, a testament to its enduring relevance despite being a 72-year-old platform. Tu-95MSM bombers typically operate from airfields in Engels area, with the Engels airfield serving as the launch site for the Dnipro strikes. These airbases provide strategic positioning for missions across the region, reinforcing Russia's ability to project power and respond swiftly to emerging threats. The modernization of the Tu-95MSM strategic bomber by Russia incorporates several specific lessons learned from the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. These upgrades reflect an adaptation to the evolving battlefield dynamics and operational challenges faced during the war. Thanks for being with us today. See you in the next video.